Hey everyone, I'm Erica. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm super excited to dive into the Avid Armor Chamber Vacuum Sealer Ultra Series. If you're into meal prep, sous vide cooking, or just want to keep your food fresh longer, this thing is a game changer. Stick around to see why this vacuum sealer might be your next kitchen must-have. And don't forget to check the link in the description for the best deal. Let's break down the features. The Avid Armor USVX Ultra Series is a chamber vacuum sealer, which means it's a step above those standard suction sealers. It has a 10-inch seal bar, perfect for small to medium portions, and it's built to handle everything from meats to liquid-rich foods like soups, sauces, and marinades. The dry piston pump is powerful, delivering high vacuum pressure to keep food fresh up to 5 times longer. It's got one-touch controls, 3 vacuum settings, and 3 seal settings, so you can customize it for delicate or hearty foods. Plus, it comes with a vacuum accessory hose for sealing jars and canisters, which is awesome for pickling or storing dry goods like grains and coffee. The sleek black stainless finish and compact design make it a great fit for any countertop. Now let's talk about pros. This sealer is a beast for liquids. Unlike traditional sealers, it handles soups and marinades without making a mess, which is perfect for sous vide enthusiasts or bulk preppers. It's super easy to use with automatic press and go settings and a clear control panel. Customers love how it preserves food, with many saying their meat stays fresh for over a year with no freezer burn. It's also versatile, sealing Mylar bags for long-term storage, which is great for homesteaders or homebrewers storing hops. The customer service from Avid Armor gets high praise for being responsive, and it's from a small American business, which feels good to support. There are a couple of cons to consider. Some users wish the seal bar was a bit longer, like 12 inches, for larger cuts of meat. It's also pricier than basic suction sealers, so if you only seal dry foods occasionally, it might be overkill. A few folks mentioned the plastic casing flexes slightly when pressing buttons, but it doesn't affect performance. Lastly, it takes up more counter space than a standard sealer, so if your kitchen is tiny, you'll need to plan storage. So who's this for? If you're serious about food preservation, love sous vide, or want to save money by buying in bulk and storing without waste, the Avid Armor USVX is absolutely worth it. The ability to seal liquids, the strong vacuum, and the versatility for jars and Mylar bags make it a standout. It's not the cheapest, but the quality and features justify the price for frequent users. Ready to level up your food storage game? Click the link in the description to grab the Avid Armor Chamber Vacuum Sealer at the best price through Rick's Review Hub, where we've got special promotional pricing just for you. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Rick's Review Hub for more honest reviews on kitchen gear. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.